It's actually looking really good.
Yeah.
Huh? Where is this thecha from?
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Nice. And you're also exploring more like regional Indian cuisine, right? Nice. So you're saying you don't want to eat dal at night?
Stop it!
What if we
Did
have
you run the dishwasher?
no? Oh, that's yes, dishwasher.
No, now
That's
I need
the
to
next.
do something.
No, I can run it right now if
How about you run it at night?
if you record.
How about you? I'm okay. So you only will do housework if I record.
No, it's just that this I don't have
Okay, cut
content.
this. You're wasting your memory card. Listen.
No, this is a part of the vlog.
Please cut it out. I'm trying to talk.
Say again, what are you saying?
Water the plants
Yeah.
and talk about the tiny sprig of mint that actually sprouted.
So the plants being watered has been done. So I don't want to redo that. Okay. But the mint sprig is a great
You also
idea.
won that shirt on the vlog doesn't mean you throw it out the balcony. So
But the mint sprig is a great idea.
I'll give you another idea.
Huh.
Do anything as long as you do it on the balcony,
So you can watch TV.
so I can watch TV.
So you know what we did? We took coriander roots and tried to plant it so we can get fresh coriander. But that didn't happen. That was a complete fail, right? But we used mint and we got new leaves. Crazy, right? We had given up on it. It's been what, 20. How many days has it been now? 20 days. Since we planted the mint and coriander. Huh? Yeah, so it's been 2 weeks and it's strange that it's working now. Success. These guys are coming out in full bloom. A shitload of them. It's crazy.
You could be intentional about your character.
Which one did you play?
You can have money
Fear,
and a career.
action, something
You
like
are the hero. in
Nice.
the story.
Yeah, he seems like a very cool guy.
From the headquarters.
I'm gonna show you and I've been meaning to do this for a while. I'm gonna show you a t-shirt that I got from India, okay? And the crazy bit about this t-shirt is that every single time that I've tried to get rid of this t-shirt, something has stopped me from throwing it. This is a $4 t-shirt, 200 rupee t-shirt that I picked up from Delhi, and every single time that I've felt like throwing it because it didn't fit, mostly never fit, but I just never ever got around to throwing it. Isn't that so weird? It's hilarious. It's a very basic t-shirt, but this is one of those things that's gonna stay with me. Yeah, crazy, right? Let me take you to the bathroom for a second.
No!
Look what she made me put on the wall. So you wake up for your morning shit, and that's what you stare at. Gotta say, it's creative. It is very creative. That's all I meant when I said let's go to the bathroom. Okay? Hold your horses. Okay. We're trying mirchi thecha.
Okay, I have to say, I made this, but this thecha is the best thecha ever.
I've not had thecha before this.
If anybody likes hot food, this is really good. It'll go really well with like rice or parathas. Always now, starting today, I pledge there will always be thecha in my kitchen.
Do you take an oath?
I do. Okay.
Okay. How many chilies?
25 to 30, I want to say. So be very okay.
So I can't have a. It's like a. I can only have a dab then.
Less than that. You just
Less
have
than a
to,
dab.
like a pinch, because it's
Jesus.
like it's got a coarse texture, so you just that's too much. So I would just take a little bit of
That's too much.
just a pinch in your hand. Oh my god, just pick up a pinch.
What? That's it. Is that good enough?
Yeah, try it out.
It's not that hot. No, it's not that hot. It's very, very tasty. Ultra sexy,
Yeah.
but it's not hot.
It is hot.
No.
It is hot.
Because I took only this much.
Okay, take more. You
Arey-
probably just took only the okay. I'm scared of what's gonna happen now because you took a really big bite.
No, it's not hard.
It is hot, Sarah.
No,
Your tongue
my-
is dumb.
My tolerance has increased.
But can you taste the flavor?
The flavors, it's a flavor bomb.
Isn't it?
It's a flavor bomb.
is so
It would go
yum.
well with roti.
Parathas, thali
Rice.
meat, puri, even matti.
Mm.
Okay, but good,
Love it.
right? Okay, stop eating it.
But I'm amazed it's not that spicy.
No.
You put 25 chilies.
It is spicy.
Not-
I'm always gonna have this in my house. It's so yum.
Mm-hmm. It's beautiful. Maybe the chilies weren't, like these weren't the hottest chilies you can find, right?
Correct.
Yeah, that's why. Even 25 chilies were not enough then.
Yeah, they're like the tiny chilies. They should have been hot enough, but
But tastes amazing. I think I may have spoken too soon. It is hitting me now. After about a minute or so, it's hitting me now. Tasty nevertheless, very tasty actually. And just increase the warmth, right? Because it's too blue right now.
that's what I said. Open the door again.
Yeah. Sean Evans, if you're watching and you need a member of the general public to try out the wings or the hot ones challenge, think of me. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna kill it. Show me that again. The one on the no? Yeah, that's your shot. That's your shot.
Okay, cool.
And this pudding turned out absolutely amazing. Can you believe this is discard bread? The bread that we were going to discard?
You were going to discard it.
Yeah. Ooh,
Ooh, look at that crust.
there's cinnamon in it, right?
Some, yes.
I can smell.
Good.
Getting a picture for the gram. Nice. I don't know. I feel like like a flat lay would be nicer on this. Yeah, that looks amazing.
I also have these.
Oh, hold on. Go back. I don't mind this one.
Cool.
All right, let's taste this bread pudding. Puddinga. So you've have you put the maple syrup?
No, but try without it.
I'll try without it, huh? Looks like smells like a cake actually.
Yeah, it's like nice and crunchy and soft in the middle.
Are you serious?
Do you like it?
Is this bread?
Yeah.
That's actually really nice.
Yeah?
Mm.
Maybe put some syrup on it?
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't need it?
Mhm.
You know, this whole serving of it has like 3 spoons of sugar.
I'm amazed. It's so good. To be honest, I'm surprised. I wasn't expecting much out of this
Okay.
because it's just bread. What did you put in this?
Just made a custard with eggs, milk, and cream.
Mm.
That's it.
And the discards of
Sour.
and the remaining bread.
Yeah.
Okay, my guess is that this has been a very long vlog, and it's been a good one. It was a good challenge to. Usually, it's not like the other vlogs are scripted, but I have some sort of an idea of what the vlog will look like. In most cases, not in all cases, but today I'm like, man, I have to be with the algorithm and post 3 days a week, but I had nothing today, and I think it's worked out. Oh, say hi again. So these guys spotted me recording and they just started waving. So what a great way to close the vlog, isn't it? That is officially the end of this long vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hold on. Oh, I thought this was heartbeat. No, never mind. And I am gonna end this vlog here, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.